Good morning dear students, we are seeing the chapter number 1, basic concept of geometry. We are going to learn that problem set 1. Let's start question number 2. On a number line, a coordinate of point P, Q, R is the R 3, -5 and 6 respectively. State with a reason whether the following statement are the true or false. True or false. First question, distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Second question, distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. And third one, distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ. Solution. First, coordinate of point P is 3. Coordinate of point Q is equal to Q is -5. Coordinate of point R is equal to 6. Distance AB is equal to distance AB 3 is greater than 5 is equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Distance PQ, distance QR is equal to greater than 6 is greater than -5 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Distance PR is equal to PR 6 is a greater and 3 is a smaller coordinate. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 is the first question. Distance PQ is equal to distance QR is equal to plus QR is distance PR is the first example. Solution. Distance PQ is equal to 8. Distance QR is equal to 11 and distance PR is equal to 3. Substituting value, distance 8 plus 11 is equal to 3. Distance, therefore distance PQ is equal to plus distance QR is not equal to distance PR. Therefore statements are distance PQ plus distance QR is not equal to distance PR is a false statement. False statement is a first example. Second one example, distance PR. Second example, distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. Solution. Distance PR is a 3. Distance PR is equal to 3. Distance RQ is equal to QR is a 11 and distance PQ is 8 is equal to 8. Substituting value, QR is distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. Substituting value, 3 plus RQ is 11 is equal to 8. Therefore distance PR plus distance RQ is not equal to distance PQ is statement is false. Statement is false. Statement is a false. Third example. Distance. Third example, distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ. Distance RQ. Substituting value, distance RP is a 3. Distance RP is equal to RP plus distance PQ. Distance PQ is equal to distance RQ. RP is 3 plus PQ is 8 is equal to distance RQ is 11. Therefore, distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ is statement true. Statement is a true. Next, another example. Fourth, distance PQ minus distance PR is equal to distance QR. Is the distance PR is a 3, distance RQ is 11 and distance PQ is 8. Distance PQ minus distance PR is equal to distance QR. Distance PQ is 8 minus PR is 3 is equal to 11. 8 minus 3 is the 11. Therefore, distance PQ minus distance PR is not equal to distance QR. This statement is false. Statement is a false. Is the question number 2. Sub question is 4. Next question. Next question is third. The coordinate of some pairs of a point are given below. Hence the distance between each pair first example is 3 6 second minus 9 minus 1. Third one is minus 4 5. Fourth one is 0 2 and 5 one is x plus 3 x minus 3. First question 3 and 6. Solution. Coordinate of point any one alphabets A is equal to 3. coordinate of point B is equal to 6. Is a 6 greater than 3. Therefore, distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate greater coordinate to smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is distance AB is equal to distance AB greater coordinate is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 3. Second is a minus 9 minus 1. Solution: the coordinate of point C is equal to minus 9. The coordinate of point D is equal to minus 1. Greater coordinate is minus 1 minus 9. Distance CD is equal to greater coordinate minus smallest coordinate is equal to minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus plus minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. Is a distance CD is equal to 8 unit. 8 unit. Distance CD is the 8 unit. Third example. Third one example. Minus 4 5 minus 4 5. Solution: the coordinate point E is equal to minus 4. The coordinate point F is equal to 5. Greater coordinate is 5 is greater than minus 4. Distance EF is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4. Distance EF is equal to 9 unit. Distance is a 9 unit. Next one is a 0 2. Fourth one is a 0 2. Solution: the coordinate of point G is equal to 0. The coordinate of point H is equal to 2. 2 is greater than 0. Distance GH is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate is equal to 2 plus minus 0 is equal to distance GH is equal to 2 unit. Thank you.